Holy hell, when's the last time you seen a turd cell? Turd cell. 89. I don't know what year they stopped making these. Man, these used to be all over the damn place. Jesus Christ. Yeah. I bet you I could get this damn thing running if they gave it to me for free. I've not seen one of these in a really, really long time. So anyway, we're still on our Volkswagen kick. We're looking for a couple extra parts. So I'm just walking around trying to find the other one that I know is in here without hauling the wheelbarrow and tools all over the damn place. But anyway, look at that. That's a good motor, guaranteed. That one too. That's why it's gone. Yep. What the hell is this? It's like a RAV4. Yep. So much good shit here. Anyway. Yeah, we got our clip. So next thing to do is get the rest of the parts I need, what they ripped off of here. Put my trunk release or hood release back in case mine's different.